Hey, man.
Yeah, they're like half a mile away. I'm right here on Ehren. They should be finished in just a few minutes, but they had to cut a limb and a power line. So with a coochie and there's a Davy tree. So they were right in front of me, but they're glad they're about finished.
You said they're right in front of what?
They were driving right in front of me, but yeah, they're done.
There?
They're done already. Yeah, I'm still here. Let me try it again.
Has been forwarded to an automated.
Hey, man.
Yeah, I guess the call was dropping, but
yeah, I don't know what's going on with the cell signal.
I think I see where the flood part is at right now. It's right before you get to Pump Station Road. But I was behind Davy Tree Company, and with the coochie they had cut down his power line, and we went around. But yeah, now I'm right here at this puddle. So they got troopers over here. So I guess they're just letting people go by slowly.
But you can't get through that area over there?
I should be able to. They just got the troopers here, I guess, to have people slow down. But I got one of these Davy Tree trucks right in front of me, so I can't see what's going on up ahead. But yeah, I'm literally like right here at Pump Station Road. The puddle's like right here. Yeah, they got cars coming through the other side, so. Dang, it was good all up until I got to this point. So I guess if I would have took 41, I would have missed it.
Who knows how bad 41 is? Oh wait, you took 52. Oh fuck.
Yeah, I took 52 to Ehren.
Well, I guess I'm gonna find out because I gotta take the left on the Ehren to 41 to take 41 to 54 to get home.
Oh shit, man, this thing is super flooded. This house over here on the right, like it's all across both sides of the road into the house.
Damn.
Yeah, this house right here always yard be flooded. Damn. I'm about to go back on the I'm about to say the GoPro. I'm at the dash cam and pull this footage up.
Nice.
Actually, I can probably do it. Nah, I ain't gonna do it right now. You know how these troopers are. What you doing with that phone? Recording?
Hey, you black and you on the phone, so they
Yeah.
turn your ass over.
Where you going, boy? Just half a mile. Half a mile. Damn, I hope this shit ain't that deep.
Well, and you got a gun, so you definitely done.
Done. Let me just get you my G license. Yeah, it ain't that bad.
Let's pull the gun.